Here's a really quick video just to show you how you could lay down a simple drum part and overdub some hi-hats. Initially, let's just do the kick drum and the snare, and then after we've got that laid down, we will do an overdub. So what I'm going to do is make sure that my drum track is selected. Here I've got a piano on track 1, drums on track 2. I can switch between them with the mouse or with the push pad. And if I hit record here, now that tempo of 120, it's a bit faster than what I was feeling. I think I want it about this sort of tempo. I'm going to tap the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dun, ka, dun, dun, ka. I'll just delete that and hit record. I left it recording at the end, and Ableton thinks I want to keep 3 bars, but I would like to just actually trim that and have a listen to the recording. Alright, that's my recording. It currently has no hi-hats. I'm going to right click on it and rename it. Just do kick and snare. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate it. I will hit this overdub button here. And here's the result. Now looking down here, you can't really see my open hi-hat. I would suggest you just stretch this a bit higher, and if you've got this much screen space, you can make it quite big. You can see where my open hi-hat comes in there. Now you'll see here, these notes here are a bit late. I could try this quantize button, and that's actually snapped everything right to the grid. I'll go back to my first clip and hit quantize as well on the push pad here, and that has snapped it. The resolution of the quantize is set to 16th note, and that's working quite well for me with this particular groove. Today we've learned how to record a simple kick drum part and how to then overdub in some hi-hats. Good luck with that.